What if you could generate a photorealistic image in a single step, or match the quality of 1,000-step diffusion models in just 4? The Sphere Encoder fundamentally reimagines image generation by replacing traditional latent spaces with a uniform distribution on a high-dimensional sphere. Building on that promise, let's examine the geometric insight that makes this possible. This spherical geometry elegantly resolves the prior-posterior mismatch that has long challenged variational autoencoders. The encoder naturally spreads image representations uniformly across the sphere's surface, and critically, any random point on that sphere decodes to a realistic image. The visualization reveals the elegance of this approach. Images from the training set distribute themselves evenly across the spherical manifold. This uniformity is the key. It means we can sample any point and expect a high-quality output, fundamentally different from the patchy coverage typical of standard autoencoders. To achieve this uniform coverage, the authors developed a carefully orchestrated training protocol. These 3 losses work together harmoniously. The key insight is injecting controlled noise, parameterized by an angle alpha, into latents before spherification, which forces the model to learn robust representations across the entire spherical surface. The quantitative results are striking. On ImageNet at 256 by 256 resolution, Sphere XL achieves an FID of 4.02 in just 4 steps, performance that positions it among leading generators while using orders of magnitude less computation than comparable diffusion approaches. When we interpolate between different classes on the sphere, say, transitioning from a cat to a dog, something fascinating happens. Rather than creating bizarre hybrids, the model exhibits fast, clean transitions from one valid mode to another, reflecting the discrete nature of semantic categories while maintaining visual coherence throughout. The well-structured latent space unlocks remarkable editing capabilities without any additional training. The authors demonstrate taking a panda image and iteratively steering it toward different ImageNet classes, or blending multiple source images into a single coherent output that preserves structural consistency while merging semantics. The Sphere Encoder reframes the efficiency frontier of image generation, proving that geometric insights about latent space structure can yield both theoretical elegance and practical performance gains. To explore the full technical depth and see more examples, visit emergentmind.com.